Alright, this is your Igbo L2 NECO Junior WAEC pass question. That is for 2017, which is part 3. Alright, so start immediately. We stopped at number 13 in our last class under Mkparịta Ụka, which is dialogue. So today we'll continue from number 14. The answering of the question will continue from number 14. Okay, 14 says, Ego ole ka Tunde kwụrụ? How much did Tunde paid for his transportation? A. Otu narị naira. B. Narị naira abụọ. C. Narị naira atọ. D. Narị naira anọ. E. Narị naira ise. Which is number 14. Answer is Tunde. How much did he pay? Okay, let's check it here. Tunde, aga m eji ụgbọ. Okay. Aga m alọghachi. Akwụrụ m narị naira abụọ. Okay, Tunde paid. The answer is B. Narị naira abụọ. The answer is B. Okay, number 15. Ego ole ka Aminu kwụrụ? Narị naira. A. Abụọ. B. Atọ. C. Anọ. D. Ise. E. Isii. Aminu paid how much? Aminu, akwụrụ m otu narị naira. Aminu paid 100 naira. So the answer is not here, but the answer is not in the option. But the correct answer is narị naira. Otu narị naira. Otu narị naira. They made mistake in this write-up, in this option that they gave here. But the answer is otu narị naira. So you can read. You can read under the last one, second to the last. Aminu, akwụrụ m otu narị naira. As you can see it there. And that, if you are with your last word, is there. Okay, so let's number 15 question. It says, Rọpụta obodo akpọghị aha na mkparịta ụka. Point out the states that they did not mention in this discussion. A. Enugu. B. Kaduna. C. Lagos. D. Minna. E. Owerri. Okay, the answer is they mentioned Minna, Kaduna, Kafanchan, Makurdi, Enugu. Point out the name, the state they did not mention. They did not mention Lagos. They mentioned Enugu, Kaduna, Minna. Yes. They did not mention Lagos. They did not mention Lagos there. So the answer is Lagos. Alright, so number 17. Họpụta obodo akpọrọ aha na mkparịta ụka. Point out the state that they mentioned in this discussion. Kafanchan is there, so you can see it, which is C. The answer is Kafanchan, which is C. The option they gave: A. Abuja. B. Ibadan. C. Kafanchan. D. Lagos. E. Maiduguri. They mentioned Kafanchan. They mentioned, so the answer is Kafanchan, which is C. Okay, number 18. Olee ụbọchị Aminu ga-alọghachi? When will Aminu come back? A. Afọ. B. Afọ Nkwọ. C. Eke. D. Nkwọ. E. Orie. Alright, Aminu. So he will be coming back in the next 3 days, which is Nkwọ. So the answer is D. D is the answer, which is Nkwọ. 18 is D. Correct. Okay. 19. Họpụta ụbọchị Tunde ga-alọghachi ụbọchị ahịa. A. Afọ. B. Eke. C. Eke Orie. D. Nkwọ. E. Orie. So the answer of 19 is B, which is Eke. When Tunde will be coming back? Eke, which is B. The answer is B. Then the last one there is number 20. Kedu ihe Aminu na-aga ime? What is Aminu going to his travel? What is he going there to do? A. Ilegharị anya. B. Ịlụ ọgụ. C. Ịhụ ogbunigwe. D. Ịzụ ahịa. E. Nsukọ. So the answer is D, which is Ịzụ ahịa. He's going for market. He's going to the market to buy something. He's going to the market to buy something. Who? Aminu. So this is where will be. So the answer of that one is Ịzụ ahịa, which is D. Number 20. Answer is D. This is where we'll be come to the end of the class. Now next class we continue from 21, which is section 3, and go on. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is part 3. We'll enter part 4 in our next class. Pursue knowledge. Thank you very much.